Hey everyone, welcome back to Learn English with us. Today's episode is all about something super useful for real life: behavior at work. We'll talk about how to sound professional, how to act in a team, and what really matters in an English-speaking work environment.
That's perfect because sometimes I know how to do my job technically, but I'm not sure how to behave or what to say to sound professional.
Exactly. English at work is not just about vocabulary. It's about attitude, tone, and teamwork.
All right, let's go.
Let's start with what we mean by professional behavior. Being professional doesn't just mean wearing a suit or being on time. It means showing respect, responsibility, and cooperation.
So it's about how you talk, how you react, and how you treat others.
Exactly. Let's look at the most important ones. First, punctuality. Always being on time shows that you respect other people's time. Second, reliability. It means people can count on you. Third, communication. Clear and polite communication keeps the whole team working well.
That makes sense. So, professional behavior is more about attitude than just following rules.
Exactly.
Can you give some examples of good professional behavior?
Of course. Here are a few examples you can use every day. Show up on time. Be prepared for meetings. Listen when others speak. Offer help when someone is struggling. Keep your promises and always say thank you.
Simple, but powerful.
Yes. These little things build trust at work.
What about teamwork? Some people prefer working alone.
That's a great question. Even if you work independently, teamwork is part of almost every job. It's about sharing ideas, supporting your coworkers, and celebrating success together.
So, teamwork isn't just doing everything together, but helping each other move in the same direction.
Exactly. Good teamwork means using phrases like, "I think you're right. What do you think about this? Let's find a solution together."
Oh, I like that. It sounds friendly and open minded.
Yes, teamwork is built on open communication and respect. Let's imagine a real office scene.
Okay,
Hey Maya, did you finish the report for this morning's meeting?
almost. I'm reviewing the last section. It'll be ready in 10 minutes.
Perfect. Thanks for letting me know. I really appreciate your effort.
No problem. I'll send it before the meeting starts.
Great teamwork, clear communication, honesty, and respect.
And a little bit of coffee.
Haha, yes. Coffee helps every team. Let's talk about another key skill: giving and receiving feedback. Feedback means telling someone how they did something, either to encourage them or to help them improve.
That can be scary sometimes.
Yes, but in English-speaking workplaces, feedback is normal. It's not about judging, it's about growing. Here's how to give feedback politely. Start positive. Say what they did well. Then mention one thing to improve. And finish with encouragement. For example, your presentation was really clear. Maybe next time you could add more visuals. But overall, great job.
Oh, I like that. It sounds honest, but kind.
Exactly. That's professional feedback. Honest, specific, and respectful.
And how do you receive feedback politely?
Good question. You can say things like, "Thanks for the feedback. I appreciate your advice." Or, "That's a good point. I'll work on it."
So you don't argue or take it personally.
Exactly. You listen, you learn, and you show maturity.
That's really useful, especially when English isn't your first language.
Yes, tone and body language matter even more than words. Smile, nod, make eye contact, and use a calm voice. Now let's talk about respect at work. Respect means treating everyone equally, no matter their job title or background. Say please and thank you. Avoid interrupting others. Be kind even when you disagree.
So even if I'm right, I should stay polite.
Exactly. In professional English, politeness always wins. For example, instead of saying "you're wrong," say "I see it differently." Or, "I'm not sure I agree. Maybe we could look at it another way."
Wow, that sounds so polite.
Yes, and it helps people trust you. Let's do a little practice. I'll say something rude or too direct, and you make it sound professional. Ready?
Ready.
Number 1. "You're late again."
Hmm. Maybe, hey, the meeting started at 9. Could we try to be on time next time?
Perfect. Polite and still clear. Okay. Number 2. "That idea is bad."
I'm not sure that idea will work. Maybe we can try something different.
Excellent. One more. "I don't like working with him."
Sometimes it's a bit hard to communicate with him, but we can find a way.
Perfect. You're ready for any office situation.
This is really useful, Steve. I feel more confident about how to sound professional in English.
That's great. Because professional behavior isn't about being perfect. It's about being respectful, clear, and cooperative.
Exactly. And teamwork makes everything easier.
Yes, in fact, in the next episode, we'll talk about workplace communication, how to speak in meetings, send polite emails, and express your opinion naturally.
Oh, that's perfect. I always get nervous writing emails in English.
Don't worry, we'll fix that at the next episode.
Awesome. See you next time.
Bye, everyone. And remember, be kind, be clear, and be professional.